Good afternoon, my name is Jeff. I'm a Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 12305 Southwest King Richard here in King City, Oregon. We're located at the front of the home and there's a 3-inch cast iron clean out underneath a plate just beyond the front door. This will be the point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Currently have water running, and it looks like it transitions immediately upon access to looks like 6-inch concrete pipe here. Here we go. And we do have some root intrusion here at the first joint, pretty much inside, right at 2 feet from the point of access. Okay, and here at 52 feet from the point of access, we have reached the terminus for the line, the main lateral, out on Southwest King Richard. It's out here in the cul-de-sac. Anyway, we're going to go get the water turned off, let the line drain out here for a few minutes. And the line's now drained out. We're going to go ahead and start reeling back here. Okay, I'm reeling back right now to find the beginning of the standing water. It persists all the way to the main lateral. Hi. Okay, it looks like the start of the grade loss is right here at 39 feet from the point of access. I'm going to mark either end of it. I'll mark the beginning with a green X. I'll map out with lines in between there to show the direction it runs, and then I'll mark the very end with a green T as the standing water persists all the way to the connection at the main lateral. Okay, I've gone ahead and located and marked right here at the beginning of the belly at 39 feet. I marked it with a green X. We're just beyond the driveway, about 2-3 feet out into the little cul-de-sac. not sure if it's called a cul-de-sac, but that's what it looks like. It's at 3 feet 8 inches deep. I'm going to go ahead and push out here to the end. I know there's a turn in the line, so I'll get that marked. I'm going to push out here to the main lateral, and we'll work our way back from there. And I'm going to mark here at the main lateral connection with a green T. Okay, I've marked you with a green T at the connection to the main, and we're still in the cul-de-sac, obviously. I marked it with a green T at 3 feet 8 inches deep here as well. The depth at either end of the belly is the same, which is very indicative of a belly. There's no grade. It should go deeper, deeper, deeper as it moves forward. I'm going to reel back here and map out in between those 2 points. Okay, I've just done a 45-degree kind of arrow in the middle of the road just to show the direction and the line turns here. It's all out in the cul-de-sac. It's getting a little bit different depth there. I was getting closer to 4 feet, about 3 inches. Let's use some caution when digging. I'm going to try and move whatever this is out of the way here, see if that's causing standing water. Hey, we did a couple toilet flushes there to move that debris that was sitting in the sewer line. I wanted to double check to make sure that that wasn't causing some of the water to dam up. And it looks like it was not the cause. Still do have a belly in the line here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and keep reeling back here. The belly is mapped out. The majority of the repair is right around 4 feet in depth. Starts here at 39 feet, as you can see here. That's where it dives in. There's about an inch of standing water across that area. Some spots it's a ½ inch. I'm going to go ahead and keep rolling back. Okay, and we're back here. It's about 2 feet from the point of access where we've got the roots coming through the joint in the concrete. I'm also going to mark that for a spot repair. They're not currently causing flow issues, but roots generally persist to the point where they do block the sewer line or start catching all the debris that comes through, and then allows debris to build up from there. So that's the reason why I recommend repairing them and not just cutting the roots out. I'm going to mark this with a green X. It would be here just a few feet away from the clean out. Yeah, I've got it marked here with an X, or at least I've tried to. There's I believe it's rosemary or sage. It's one of those two. It's an herb plant sitting right next to the clean out. It's actually within that plant where I've marked it with green paint. It's about 3 feet deep, so it's very difficult to get an exact location as I can't get the locator all the way to the ground because of the bush. I do recommend, at the very least, cutting the roots out. Better yet would be to repair the joint so they don't come back. I'm going to go ahead and pull back the camera.